My name is Sheila Yadav. I am from Chhattisgarh and at present I am living in Delhi. I am a homemaker, a mother of 2.5-year-old baby boy, and my hobby is cooking and watching English content on YouTube. That's it.
Nice. Nice.
The very first video, your conversational video, which I watched, that
Hmm.
was with Shanta ma'am.
Hmm.
Actually, when I saw your channel's name, it
Hmm.
was very different and unique. I started
Hmm.
watching that video, and what to say, it was coincidence. Shanta ma'am asked you the reason that she also told you that your
Hmm.
channel's name is very different and unique,
Yes, yes.
and
Hmm.
you explained the reason. And the reason
Hmm.
you explained, I liked it very much. And from that day, I have been thinking for very long to have conversation with you. And
Yes.
today it has come true, so I am a little bit nervous also.
You
But
don't have to. First of all, thank you for writing to me. And I think you can remember how nervous I was in my first video, right? It could. So, why are you learning English then? Do you have any particular reason?
yes, actually, before marriage, I was working.
Hmm.
Then after marriage, means I couldn't continue my career. Then
Hmm.
my son came to my life. Now, after some month, he will go to school.
Yes.
So for him, I want to upgrade
Learn this
myself.
language. Hmm.
Yes, for my son.
Nice. That's a nice thing that, if you are familiar with this language, you can teach it to him
Yes.
and he will get that environment. So, ma'am, tell me about your life in Delhi. Like, do you enjoy living there?
Yeah, I have enjoyed a lot.
Hmm.
I think it has been more than 4 years we are living here.
Hmm.
Before August, we were, me and my husband, my son, we were living with our in laws. They are in
Oh.
the job which is transferable. So in August, they got
Hmm.
posting and they left. And
Hmm.
since my husband he is doing job here, we stayed here.
Hmm.
So for 10 days he had holiday.
Hmm.
Yesterday was his last day. From Monday it will start. So
Hmm.
he just told me we would visit Khan Market. There he, introduced one bookshop, and
Uh,
I think
Fakir
before that,
Chand.
not your picture is there.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yes, but
Hmm.
as soon as his vacation started,
Hmm.
it started raining there, and
Hmm.
me and my son we got cough and cold, so we didn't go anywhere because for
Hmm.
my son it was severe. So I was just staying in home,
Hmm.
and before marriage I prepared for government examination also. So in that we had history. So
Hmm.
here, visiting all the
All the
historical
historical places.
places, yeah,
Hmm.
which we were reading, and I got chance to visit all the places. It was very fascinating because
Hmm.
before Delhi we were in Bhatinda, so there
Hmm.
also I got chance to visit Kalibanga and that Sindhu Sabhyata place. So it was very
Hmm.
fascinating. I love
Yes.
to visit all the historical places.
I think if you have good imagination, history becomes really interesting. For
Yes.
example, I like to read, even though whenever I'm reading NCRTs and all those history part, I can't help but construct my own kind of thing that this is how this place must have looked like. And Delhi is
Yeah.
full of historical place. So I
Yes.
have been to Delhi, and I have
Actually,
also got a story. Go on, go on.
uh, in my schooling time, I didn't like all the subject, but when
Hmm.
I started preparing, I would go to coaching. There, every teacher, they will make us to feel all the things. Like Constitution,
Hmm.
also they taught us in a very interesting way. So I got interest in Constitution also. But after marriage, I left everything. So
Hmm.
I don't know. I have remembered all the things or not. But I got chance to visit all these historical places. So uh, that is the thing which very fascinated or very pleasurable about after marriage, because Um, my son, he got birth in 21. So before that, I had ample time. Means if small kid is not there, whenever we want to go to any place, we can visit. But
Hmm.
now, sometimes it happens. Means my husband, he is having holiday, but he is not feeling well, so we cannot go outside.
Hmm.
So that's like means it was happening to me continuously staying in home. So
Hmm.
randomly, I was thinking, what should I do? So I was simply searching in YouTube. Then I got Yashoda ma'am's video. She
Hmm.
runs her channel with the name of English with Dehati Madam. And
Yes.
while my graduation and post graduation, and even when I was teaching, my English
Hmm.
was not good. And I always wanted to improve my English. But I was wanted to learn, but the way I was learning, that way was not correct. When I
Hmm.
saw her,
I
I
mean,
was
there is no wrong or right way. If you want to speak this language, there is no choice but to speak. Still, you
yes,
are learning. Now you are speaking amazingly. It's all because whatever you have done in past. Now you have just added a speaking part, right?
yes,
So don't say that that way was incorrect. Of course, you were studying for your government exam. So in government exams, what do they teach you? Just grammar and rules, right?
yes. So
And one
that's
more
the
thing,
thing.
you please complete yourself. You were saying something. Sorry to interrupt you.
We watched. She was making chapati in the kitchen, and
Hmm.
every action and every process she was telling that okay, I am rolling, I'm making chapati, I am
Hmm.
sieving the dough. I was, I was so inspired by her that means if someone wants to learn anything, we
Hmm. They
need a
can.
passion. Then
Hmm.
uh, before that, I was totally involved in. I was living a housewife life, and that was
Hmm.
also a beautiful part of my life. There also I gave my 100%. But after some time, I felt I should again start something along taking care of everything. So when I
Hmm.
saw her, that spark again ignited in myself, and I have started watching English content and English conversation, and I
Hmm.
have been following it for very long. And I wanted to have conversation, but uh, I didn't have that much confidence. But
So is it your
then I
first
started.
conversation?
No, it is a second. Yesterday
Oh,
I had conversation with Alka ji.
Alkazi.
Ji.
All right, all right. I think the Hathi ma'am is inspiration. Like whatever she has done, especially from her background, where she has reached, it's remarkable, right?
Yes. And along with her, there is Shilpa ji, Shanta ma'am, and
Hmm.
Sunita's English adventure, and Himachali English tutor. Actually, these all women, they addresses housewife, means
Hmm.
they should do something and they should come out of their comfort zone. So I am very thankful to all of them because I have started my journey because of them. And I wanted to have conversation with you because the conversation I saw, I was
Hmm.
thinking about your channel's name. At the
Yes,
coincidence is Shanta ma'am asked you the same question, so I thought
yes, yes.
I should definitely have conversation with you. And
Hmm.
I think 1st of January 2025, you made a video. Behind you, many books were there, and you were addressing to everyone that how should we start. There are four parts: speaking, reading, writing,
Writing.
yeah, listening. So that
Yes.
video was wonderful. I liked
Hmm.
it
I've
very
been
much.
trying. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Like it is in the same room. That's my bookshelf. I have been trying to make videos like that, and finally, I have all the gadgets, tools, like good enough tools. So I want to put more effort in that, especially in this year. So thank you for
Yes.
watching. And
And
I want to,
I
yeah, yeah,
want
go
to
on.
ask you a question that Sasta podcast, this is
Yes, yes,
okay.
this is all. Sasta podcast. I also run that
That is
thing,
also
but
very interesting.
but the sad part is I'm not able to find guests anymore. All of my friends, Like the
But
like I
whatever
come from.
video we have made, it is very interesting. Actually, I have been watching. I don't remember. Allahabadia. He makes podcast, and one more is there. Right now, I am not able to remember his name. I
Hmm.
was watching their podcast, and suddenly your podcast came. I said, "What is this Azra podcast?" And I watched it. That video, all your videos are very nice.
Thank you,
Yes,
thank you.
keep working
Actually,
on that.
the idea came like I had my first conversation with my friend Sudha. As I come from a small village, so there are not many people who can speak this language, right? So whatever friends I had, I have already invited them on my podcast. But tomorrow, I think it's Sunday, so one of my friends, she will come and we will record another session. So let's see how it goes.
Okay. I was telling that whatever the video you have made means
Hmm.
your guest and you were looking very professional, and that video was like, the real podcast means it is a real podcast, but you
Hmm.
made it very professional. So the very good work you are doing, you should keep it doing on it.
Yeah, I want to continue, but as I said earlier, like there are not many people. Even if I want to approach some teachers here who can speak a few lines in English, but they don't want to come on my channel. Like it's not
Mm.
comfortable to be on the camera. I had to convince
Mm.
like my friends, I had to convince them, come on, dude, let's do it, let's do it. And I had to persuade them. And it took a lot of effort. And now I don't have that much energy to go to every man and every person I know. Please come on my podcast. And see, that's like you are in Delhi. I have some friends in Delhi. I can record there. If I was in a bigger city, I could do it, right? So that's why I kept the name Sasta Podcast because I knew that it was not going to continue. My friends and me. So that's how the name came.
Okay.
And do you
So,
earlier you mentioned that Khan Market. So there is a really funny story I want to share. Like
okay.
this in 2024, I was in Delhi with my friend. I had to drop my sister actually, and I had made my plan so that I can get books. There is this place called Daryaganj and Sunday Book Bazaar. There you can get pirated and cheap books. So my plan was to get books from there. But the name Khan Market, it came on our feed, and I wanted to visit Fakir Chand. So I thought that Khan Market is a kind of place where you can have biryani, some local food, and have fun. But how wrong we were. Khan Market is like market of elite. It's just too expensive. Me and my friend, we were overwhelmed. Like we had no idea where the hell is it even India? We were thinking like that. Like the places were so expensive that we just wanted to get out of that place. But still, we went to the like my friend lives in Delhi, but I'm completely a country bumpkin. Like I have no idea how city functions. So I was really, overwhelmed. But still, I went to
Okay.
that bookstore. I got a few books for my friends, and yeah, then we went to our local place where we wanted to go. Sunday Book Bazaar. So it was a really funny experience for me.
Yeah,
Are
actually,
you?
my husband he knows about
Hmm,
that shop, so
hmm.
we want to go to visit that shop only.
I think your son is there now. So should we wrap it up?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right then.
All the time I will be in home, so he doesn't leave me. So
Hmm.
I made everything for him so that he will give me chance to make conversation. But somehow he
Yes,
actually,
yes, yes.
because of that network issue, I went to my husband and he saw me, and
Hmm.
now he knows that my mother is here, so he's coming again and again.
All right, all right. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your time. It
Yeah,
was lovely
thank you
chatting
so
with
much for
you.
having a nice
And
conversation. Thank you so much.
thank you, ma'am.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Take care. Bye.